Sanbonani, Sanbonani, welcome back to isiZulu with the Queen. Namhlanje, I want us to practice some of the instructions that you might get from utisha wako, your teacher. Okay, the teacher can say, Sula ibodi, Sula ibodi. It just means wipe the board. Or they can add the word ngicela usule ibodi. It still means please wipe the board. But sula ibodi only just means wipe the board. So sometimes the teacher will say, John, sula ibodi. It just means John, wipe the board. You get it, right? Very simple. Or the teacher can say, Qoqa izinto zakho. Sure. Qoqa izinto zakho. It just means pack your things. Qoqa izinto zakho. Mduduzi, qoqa izinto zakho. Mduduzi, pack your things. I don't want you being confused, hey? I want you to be on the roll. You can even give these instructions to other students and be like, Mary, sula ibodi. And they'll be like, where did you get that from? And you'll be like, uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's go to the next one. The teacher can say, ngicela nenze ulayini. Ngicela nenze ulayini. Please make a straight line. Or please line up. Ngicela nenze ulayini. Sometimes they'll even use the borrowed word and say, ngicela line up. Ngicela line up. Ngicela nenze ulayini. Please make a line. And then the next one, the teacher can just say sukuma. Sukuma, it just means stand up to one person. Because if I want to say stand up to more than one, I will say sukumani. Sukumani, that's stand up to more than one. Okay, next one. Hlala phansi. The teacher can even call your name and be like, Zandile, hlala phansi. Zandile, hlala phansi. It just means Zandile, sit down. Or they can add the word please, which will be Zandile, ngicela uhlale phansi. I will be making a video with all the polite requests that we often use in classroom or around different places in future. Okay, and then the teacher can also say ala. It means start. Let's say someone is daydreaming in class and the teacher has already given instructions that there's an activity that must be done, and then they see that no, John is not doing what I said. John is still daydreaming. The teacher can say, John, ala, please. Ala. Start. Or they can say, ngicela uqale. Please start. Okay, the next one. Shesha. Lucy Shesha. Shesha. Hurry up. Hurry up. Ngicela usheshe. Please hurry up. The next one. The teacher had just asked a question and then suddenly everyone start answering without raising a silent hand. Then the teacher can be like, I. Phakamisa isandla, please. Phakamisa isandla, meaning raise a silent hand or raise your hand. Phakamisa isandla. Or they can add the word please, which will be ngicela uphakamise isandla. Phakamisa isandla. Stand, not stand, but raise a silent hand. Where am I getting stand from now? Okay, the next one. Ngena. Let's say you are from a break, and most schools they line up outside, and then or you starting the day, it's the beginning of the day, you line up outside, and then the teacher is like, Ngena. It means go inside, come in, ngena, or you knocking by the door because the teacher has sent you to take or to deliver something to a specific teacher, and you get to the door and you start knocking and you hear that Zulu teacher say ngena. They basically just mean come in, ngena, ngena. Okay, the next one is hamba, which means go. Hamba, maybe you go to the teacher and you like, can I please go to the toilet? And they like hamba. It means go. The next one is hlala kahle. Hlala kahle. Sometimes students will forget to hlala kahle, so the teacher will say hlala kahle means sit properly. Don't sit like you are somewhere on a holiday. Merely hlala kahle, sit properly. Or they can say thula, thula. Lily, thula, yo, thula. Keep quiet, thula. Okay, another one. The teacher can say woza kimi, which means come to me. Woza kimi, come to me. They can even say woza kimi with your book. Woza kimi with your bag. Woza kimi, come to me. And then the next one is funda. They can call you and be like woza. And then once you get to them, they'll be like funda. Funda, which means read. Next one, lalela. Lalela, which basically means listen. They can even call your name and be like, Sanele, lalela, lalela. Or they can say, Sanele, vula incwadi. Why is incwadi not opened? Vula incwadi, open the book. Okay, the next one is bala, and this is our last slide. Bala, which means to write. The teacher can say, okay, now it's time for you to bala your own sentences, or now it's time for you to bala what I've just explained. Or they can use the next word, which is our last word for today. They can send you to go somewhere, and then while you are about to go out, they can call you and be like, Haibo, booyah, Mary, booyah. It means come back, booyah. Or because they forgot to tell you something or to give you something. Or you can even use it to call your friend and be like, booyah, Lucy, booyah. Because the more you practice, the more you learn, the more you get to improve your speaking skills. Okay, ngiyabonga. See you next time.